Think you're ready for your driving test? Test yourself with these 20 must-know U.S. road signs and find out. The pedestrian crossing road sign warns of people crossing ahead. The deer crossing traffic sign alerts drivers to deer crossing ahead. The bicycle route road sign shows a designated path for cyclists. The horse-drawn vehicles traffic sign warns of horse-drawn vehicles on the road. The equestrian road sign alerts drivers to horseback riders ahead. Guess this road sign. A. Deer crossing. B. Moose crossing. C. Caribou crossing. The answer is A. Deer crossing. What is this traffic sign? A. Children crossing. B. Pedestrians crossing. C. Pedestrian crosswalk. The answer is B. Pedestrians crossing. Which road sign is this? A. Wild horse. B. Horse-drawn vehicles. C. Equestrian. The answer is C. Equestrian. Identify the handicapped road sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bicycles permitted. B. Bicycle route. C. Local bicycle route. The answer is B. Bicycle route. Which road sign is this? A. Farm vehicles. B. Equestrian. C. Horse-drawn vehicles. The answer is C. Horse-drawn vehicles. The farm vehicles traffic sign warns of slow-moving farm vehicles ahead. The truck route road sign indicates a designated route for trucks. The crossroads with parallel tracks left traffic sign warns of rail tracks at a left crossroads. The emergency vehicle road sign alerts drivers that emergency vehicles may cross. The T intersection with parallel tracks left traffic sign warns of a T junction with rail tracks on the left. Identify this traffic sign. A. National network route. B. Truck route sign. C. Truck entrance from right. The answer is B. Truck route sign. Name this road sign. A. T intersection with parallel tracks left. B. Crossroads with parallel tracks left. C. T intersection with parallel tracks right. The answer is A. T intersection with parallel tracks left. Guess this traffic sign. A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Slow-moving military vehicle. C. Emergency vehicle. The answer is C. Emergency vehicle. Which traffic sign warns drivers of pedestrians crossing ahead? Which road sign is this? A. Golf cart. B. Farm vehicles. C. Agricultural vehicles. The answer is B. Farm vehicles. Guess this traffic sign. A. Crossroads with parallel tracks left. B. Side road with parallel tracks left. C. Crossroads with parallel tracks right. The answer is A. Crossroads with parallel tracks left. The snowmobile road sign indicates that snowmobiles may cross ahead. The handicapped traffic sign marks parking or access for disabled persons. The side road with parallel tracks right road sign warns of rail tracks at a right side road. The light rail activated traffic sign alerts drivers that light rail signals are active. The storage space symbol road sign warns drivers of limited space between the road and railroad crossing. Guess this road sign. A. Parking for disabled badge holders only. B. Handicapped. C. Handicapped accessible. The answer is B. Handicapped. Which traffic sign is this? A. Snowmobile. B. Snowmobile trail. C. Skaters permitted. The answer is A. Snowmobile. What is this traffic sign? A. Railroad crossing ahead. B. Railroad crossing. C. Light rail activated sign. The answer is C. Light rail activated sign. Spot the low ground clearance railroad crossing road sign. What is this road sign? A. T intersection with parallel tracks left. B. Storage space symbol. C. T intersection with parallel tracks right. The answer is B. Storage space symbol. Guess this road sign. A. Crossroads with parallel tracks right. B. Side road with parallel tracks left. C. Side road with parallel tracks right. The answer is C. Side road with parallel tracks right. The vehicle ferry terminal traffic sign indicates a ferry terminal for vehicles ahead. The low ground clearance railroad crossing road sign warns of a raised rail crossing. The T intersection with parallel tracks right traffic sign warns of a T junction with rail tracks on the right. The side road with parallel tracks left road sign warns of rail tracks at a left side road. The crossroads with parallel tracks right traffic sign warns of rail tracks at a right crossroads. Name this traffic sign. A. Do not drive on tracks. B. Low ground clearance. C. Do not pass stopped trains. The answer is B. Low ground clearance. Guess this road sign. A. Passenger ferry. B. Ferry. C. Vehicle ferry terminal. The answer is C. Vehicle ferry terminal. Identify this traffic sign. A. Side road with parallel tracks left. B. Crossroads with parallel tracks left. C. T intersection with parallel tracks left. The answer is A. Side road with parallel tracks left. Which traffic sign shows a designated truck route? What is this traffic sign? A. Side road with parallel tracks right. B. T intersection with parallel tracks right. C. Crossroads with parallel tracks right. The answer is B. T intersection with parallel tracks right. Identify this road sign. A. Crossroads with parallel tracks right. B. Side road with parallel tracks right. C. Crossroads with parallel tracks left. The answer is A. Crossroads with parallel tracks right. Are you ready for the quick rapid-fire challenge? 20 signs, 3 seconds each. Can you spot them all before time runs out? Let's find out. Guess this road sign? Yes, it's the equestrian sign. Which traffic sign is this? Correct. That is the horse-drawn vehicles sign. Identify this road sign. You got it. It's the emergency vehicle sign. Guess this traffic sign. Exactly. It's the golf cart sign. What is this road sign? That's right. It's the truck route sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. That is the pedestrians crossing sign. Guess this road sign? Yes, it's the deer crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. You got it. That's the snowmobile sign. Which road sign is this? Exactly. It's the handicapped sign. Guess this road sign? Correct. That is the farm vehicles sign. What is this road sign? Yes, it's the bicycle route sign. Identify this road sign? That's right. It's the crossroads with parallel tracks left sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. That is the side road with parallel tracks right sign. Guess this traffic sign? Exactly, and it's the crossroads with parallel tracks right sign. What is this road sign? Yes, it's the T intersection with parallel tracks right sign. Identify this road sign. You got it. It's the side road with parallel tracks left sign. Which traffic sign is this? Correct. That is the light rail activated sign. Guess this road sign? Exactly. It's the low ground clearance railroad crossing sign. What is this road sign? Yes, it's the T intersection with parallel tracks left sign. Identify this road sign? You got it. It's the storage space symbol sign. Thanks for watching. If this video boosts your chances of passing the DMV test, hit subscribe for weekly test prep and practices. Tap one of the videos on your screen to keep learning. Keep practicing, stay safe, and we will see you in the next video.